I'm going to do a tutorial to upload any local file to Apple Music. This is not the same as uploading it to everyone can listen to your song, because the objective of this tutorial is, for example, you like a YouTube song that you enjoy listening to. However, you can find it on Apple Music. For example, here I have this MP3 file that is from Dexter. It's Batista, or like in relation with Batista's theme or something like that. I don't know. And if you try to search it on Apple Music, you wait for Julia. Well, it will not be in Apple Music because I don't know. But in any way, this song will never be. Well, it will not be. It hasn't been uploaded to Apple Music. So the idea of this tutorial is to teach you how to upload local files like this one to Apple Music, so you can stream them on your iPhone, in Apple Music, Mac, iPad, or however. So the things you need to do this tutorial: first is the file. Doesn't really matter if it's an MP3 file or a .wav. Doesn't really matter. I mean, if you got a .wav file, the quality will be higher, but it will not make the difference in relation to the procedure to do this tutorial. And the other thing you need is an Apple Music subscription, and that's really it. Also, you will need to sync the Apple Music account. For example, I've got mine in my computer and also in my other Apple devices. So once I upload this file to Apple Music, I will be able to stream them directly into my phone, my iPhone, or my iPad without any problems. Yeah, so in relation to the tutorial, so first you need to have like localized what file you want to upload to Apple Music. Once you've got that file, you need to go to Apple Music, settings, but if it's files, yeah, and in files you need to choose where will be the folder that will keep all the local files you want to upload to Apple Music. For example, mine, I've got it right here in media, and it will be this folder that its name automatically add to Apple Music. So once you enter this folder, you will see nothing. And once you upload, once you upload the song to Apple Music, sorry, to the folder, it will be deleted because it will be added, it will be sent to Apple or to iCloud actually, and then it will be deleted of this folder. So you always will see this folder empty. However, it will always it will be uploaded to Apple Music, and you will see it on Apple Music. So how to upload the file? Well, quite easy. Once you have identified the folder, as I said, you can set it whatever you like. I, for example, have it in my music folder, and in media I have it right here. So whenever I want to upload a file to listen it to later in my phone, I just drag the file, upload it automatically to music, and we need to wait like a few seconds for the song to be uploaded. And there you go, like something has happened. I believe that was the song uploading, and once it has been uploaded, it recently added, I believe is this file. Yep. Quite strange this, but yeah, once it has been uploaded to Apple Music, in recently added, you will see the song you have recently added to library and this additional song. I don't really know what are the criteria for the album to be named like, well, unknown album. I guess is that there's only one song and it doesn't have information about the album, and definitely I have no idea about why the the artist is using deleting this, but maybe it's something right. Okay, so now that we have the file actually uploaded to Apple Music and you can hear it when in your devices, maybe in your iPad or iPhone it will take a little bit longer because you need to download it from the cloud. However, in your computer you can easily right straightforward. So a few things you can do now that your file has been uploaded is so what I was going to say is that to customize the song, you could do so by, once you have selected the song, like it will be a pink, well, my case pink, in your case I don't know, you can do Command I, there you go, and yeah, it has assigned the artwork automatically. We'll change that for the sake of the tutorial, and you can see that it allows me to change all the things. So I will keep the name. I will definitely change the artist. I don't know the artist of this song, so I'll just put Angel Batista. I don't know. It will also try to complete the artist, I don't know the title, with other artists that you have been listening to or you have already uploaded. For also the album, I just can put, yeah, as I said before, if you have listened to other albums, it will try to auto-complete them. But for example, we'll try to put Dexter, for example, I don't know, album artist name, I don't know which one, composer, I don't know. So mainly you can leave all these inputs without any information because it's not required. The only two things like I could recommend really is just the name, the title, sorry, to identify the work and an artist, but the artist still will put something if you don't complete it. Also the artwork, if you don't put nothing, it will show the other artwork that it was when this artwork didn't upload it. So I would upload my artwork, that is this one. I know you love it and I honestly prefer it like that, so there you go. So now, well, let's cover the other settings. The lyrics, you can upload your own lyrics if you, for example, you have made a song and you want to listen it before uploading to streaming services. You can upload it to Apple Music like this. The only thing to have in consideration is that you will not be able to have any type of, the only problem you will have is that the lyrics will not sync. Options, well, you can define when the song starts, stop, maybe adjust the volume a little bit. Also, if you want to apply any equalizer, so quite fun. Sorting is, well, when you try to find like the song here, the type of things it will search for. And finally the file, well, it's all the information about the file, so it's really nothing. So for example, if I just add this song to my favorites, now it should be added. And if I check my phone, let me just add the screen record. Opa. So if I add this and I try to go to my favorite songs, it will appear there as, well, as you have seen. So that's really it. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial and it really helped.